Welcome to Adhikari Academy. Let's learn about the Umang service and its benefit, how you can help your customers on the Umang platform by using central and state government service, and some points to remember while using the Umang platform. But first, let's know a bit more about Umang and its benefits. This is a great opportunity for Adhikaris to increase and engage its customer base, where you will be able to provide central and state government services to your customers through the Spice Money Umang platform, all from a single platform. Umang, that is Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance, has been launched to run e-governance under Digital India. Umang is developed by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and the National E-Governance Division. Umang aims to fast-track mobile governance in India. Through Umang, all services, transactions and documents are available in one central place for your customers. Umang intends to provide convenient access to key services offered by central and state government departments, local bodies, and private organizations from other utility services. The Umang platform is connected to more than 500 government services. Many Digital India services can also be easily accessed through the Umang platform. These services include Aadhaar, DigiLocker, and many more. Your customer do not need to visit government services to avail Umang services. It's available in multiple languages. Now let's understand some benefits that Adhikaris can enjoy from Umang. A new service will be added to Adhikari's bucket, which will increase the customer's footfall and revenue. Your customer will not need to search for the location of government services because you will be able to give all these services to him, which will in turn save the customer's time. You will be able to provide more than 500 central and government services to your customer from one place. Adhikari will earn an attractive commission between Rs 5 to Rs 60 per transaction. Let's learn how to use this service. Log into Spice Money Adhikari app or web with your user ID and password. Click on the Umang tile. You will be redirected to the Umang page. Enter your Spice Money registered mobile number. You can either log in by entering MPIN or you can log in with an OTP. After logging in, you will see the central and state services screen on the Umang platform. In the search bar, search by entering the name of the service your customers want to get the information about or want to use. As an example, we have talked about some of the services provided by the central and state governments. With the Passport Seva available as one of the services provided by the central government on the Umang platform, you can search for the passport location for your customers, calculate the required fees, track the current status of the application, check the document advisor, check the appointment availability. Proof of live service is also one of the services that you can access, through which you can view the life certificate, generate, download, print and share the life certificates of the customer. If any of your customers are registered under the Atal Pension Scheme, you can check the current holding of the customer, generate and provide the transaction statement, check the recent contribution for your customer, and download and share e-PRAN. Similarly, you can provide more than 250 central government services to your customers. Now let's see the state government services you can offer to your customers. For example, let's check the services of Chhattisgarh state available on the Umang platform. Some of the services provided by Chhattisgarh state are birth certificate, domicile certificate, STSC certificate, income certificate. For all of the above mentioned services, you can download the relevant document, print and share it with your customers. Some of the services offered by Uttar Pradesh state are birth certificate, handicap certificate, caste certificate, income certificate, etc. For all of the above mentioned services, you can download the relevant document, print and share it with your customers. So, you will be able to provide around 200 plus services from more than 15 states. Tap on Umang Fee and Guide tile and go to Services and Commissions option to check the convenience charges that Adhikari can take from his customer. Let's now understand the important things to remember while providing the Umang services to your customers. The Adhikari must inform the customer about the fees and charges as well as the terms and conditions for the service. Adhikari must also give information about the total application service charges, including convenience charges, to the customer before providing the service. If there is any dispute or error in the transaction while using the service, Adhikari should register the complaint or the error via phone or by emailing Spice Money's customer care before the customer leaves the counter and get it resolved. Adhikari must comply with all instructions, directions, guidelines, and policies regarding the performance and their obligations or objectives issued by Spice Money or NEGD from time to time. Adhikari must follow all the advice, instructions provided by NEGD from time to time on the service page of the Umang portal. Adhikari must return all the hard copies of the documents to the customer and also delete all the scanned copies of the documents from their computer system. Adhikari should take care of their work area and computers while providing services to the customer. Adhikari must put a list of charges for all the services at his shop. Adhikari must never overcharge the customer. In case of such an event, your IT may be blocked, blacklisted, or you may be fined. Adhikari must not store any data, records, documents shared by the customer with them. Adhikari must not indulge in any fraudulent activities. Do not share sensitive financial details like password, etc. through emails. Thank you.
Dear Spice Money Adhikari, please keep changing your Spice Money login password from time to time every month, and it is also suggested that the password should be strong enough such that it should have one capital alphabet, one small alphabet, one digit, and one special character. Never put your name or your date of birth in the password.